So today I will be talking you through how to install the Arduino software. Now I would like you to open Google Chrome or Safari or whatever. I will use Google Chrome for this tutorial. I will open it. Oh god, my battery is so low. I think I should charge. Oh well. So first you will open you will type in Arduino. It should come up like so. And click the first one, www.arduino.cc. Then you go to software downloads. Then you go for the download the Arduino IDE, and you click on the Mac OS X or the Windows. Depends which kind of computer you're using. I'm using a MacBook, so I will click onto the Mac OS X 10.7 Lion. Here you can contribute and donate money to the Arduino website. However, I will just download because I just want to download. So then here you can see the Arduino being downloaded. You can click on it. I think it will say open within 17 minutes or 16 minutes. So I will cut until this has been downloaded. So we're back. I think it's in the downloads, if I'm not wrong. It should be a zip file. I think it's oh yeah, here, right here. And this will be the Arduino app. Let's open it. This came in when I opened the zip file. Here, verifying Arduino app. Here, Arduino app is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And you go open. Yeah, pairing. You just have to wait. And here, This should be your Arduino window. This is where you would type in your code and voila. And that's basically it for how to install Arduino.